$2,000. That's what designer quoted me for this. So I built it myself in 5 minutes using AI tool that nobody talks about. This is Stitch AI. Google built it. It's look like I have hired some hi-fi agency for free. I'm not a designer. I failed art class. But watch what happens when I describe what I want to this. Hi, I'm Sonal. I can barely use Figma. Today you are watching me design a startup website from zero. No caps, no cuts, no part 2, everything right now. There are some rules for this video. First, it will take only 5 minutes. Second, I will use only one AI tool which is absolutely free. Third, if I can design a professional website, you would pay thousands. You must have to try this. Deal? Let's start. Okay, so let's have real talk. 3 weeks ago, I had an idea of creating Connect where friends can chat and play games together. Things like Discord but simpler. I knew exactly what I wanted this to look like, and I wanted some Gen Z colors, some modern, simpler but playful. So I open up Canva, and on the left side there is this option for templates. I click that, then choose website from categories. I went ahead and created a new one, and instantly it opens a workspace where you can set up everything for your site. On the left side there is a section to describe your website idea, so that just type in what your site's about. Canva actually finds matching templates for you. There are lots of templates here. Honestly, I picked one I liked and thought, okay, let's customize it a bit. But as I started making changes, I realized there is just so much going on. So many options and buttons. I am not a professional designer, and I will admit, I kept trying to make it look cool, but at the end I looked at it and thought, I have no budget. This screams I have no budget. Fine, I will hire someone. I went to Fiverr and got a designer. $2,000. This is what a designer quoted me for this. This is what a designer quoted me for a whole website design. So I have no budget and no time for this. After so much research, I finally find this tool. Google built this, and it's completely free, and it will design my whole website. Stitch AI is your creative automation partner. With Stitch, you can build intelligent workflows, design beautiful websites, and generate powerful content all in one space. Connect your favorite tools, automate everyday tasks, and focus on what matters. Growing your business and making idea happen. Stitch AI design, automate, and create. I tested that the same night, and it's completely game changer. I have designed a whole website from this, and let me show you how you can use this for your own idea. So today I am doing it for real on my own idea. Alright, I have opened Stitch AI. This is what you see when you are in. At the top it says start a new design in, and you have two options here. You can choose app if you are designing mobile app, or web if you are designing a website. Since Connect works on both, I am choosing app for this tutorial. Now on the right side there is experimental mode. Click on drop down. You will see two options, standard mode and experimental mode. Standard mode is faster and uses Gemini 2.5 Flash. It's slower but gives high quality designs. I am choosing experimental mode because I want best quality design. Here's what 99% of people get wrong. Here is an important tip. If you try to write the prompt yourself without using an AI, Stitch AI will give you generic basic designs that don't match your vision. But if you use an AI like Perplexity or ChatGPT to craft a detailed structured prompt, first, Stitch AI generate designs that are specific, tailored, and exactly what you imagine. First, I opened Perplexity, which is an AI research tool, so I just vaguely threw all my ideas at Perplexity. The feature, the vibe, the color palette, the user flow, everything I wanted in this app. And Perplexity took all that messy information and gave me back this incredibly detailed structured prompt with all the specifications, design requirements, and screen descriptions that a professional designer would need. Then I copied that entire prompt, every single word, and headed over to Stitch AI. In Stitch AI, there is a section called Describe where you paste your design brief. I pasted the whole prompt there. Then I made two important selections. I clicked on app mode because I am designing a mobile application, and I selected experimental mode design. I hit generate, and here is where the magic. Stitch AI processes my prompt and asks me how many design do you want generate at once. I could generate up to 6 screens simultaneously, which is perfect because I wanted to see multiple screens working together to ensure the entire flow was consistent. I clicked generate, and within second, boom, 6 beautiful app screens appeared on my workspace. I am looking at the welcome and onboarding screen, login, profile setup, the dashboard, friend list screen. The UI is looking good. The design are clean, modern, and exactly matches the vibe I described in my prompt. Down in the prompt area, Stitch is actually suggesting additional screen I should create. It is recommending screen like setting page, a profile customization screen, and an upgrade modal for the premium version, a notification center, and more. These aren't just random suggestions, they are intelligent recommendation based on my app's user flow and functionality. So I clicked in each suggestion and Stitch created the screen too. My workspace is now filling up with comprehensive designs. I have probably 15 to 20 plus screen now, all perfectly designed with my original concept and working together visually. Once I am satisfied with the screens and the overall design direction, I hit the download button. The system export everything as a zip file. Inside the zip file, there are two critical things: high quality image files, actual user code files. I can take those code files directly to Cursor or any code editor. I can start building the actual website or application from there. The code is already structured, already following best practices. I went from having vague app idea, created a structured prompt using Perplexity, pasted that into Stitch AI, got to professional design for multiple screen, received AI suggestion for additional screens, downloaded everything as both images and code files. That's a complete power of this workflow. From idea to detailed design to actual code, all in a matter of minutes. No design experience needed, no weeks spent on mockup, just clarity, speed, and professional results. Look, I am not saying AI replaces designer. Professional designers will always be better. But I have an idea, you have an idea, but we cannot afford $2,000 for every app test. So this tool removes that barrier. Your startup idea doesn't have to die because you don't know how to design. Go to stitch.com, start designing your idea. It will take only 5 minutes to create. Then watch my Cursor video, link in description, to actually build it. Fully journey how you can create your idea into fully functional website. I am exploring and finding new tools every day for you guys, which are free and easy to use. I hope you really like this video. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and comment your app idea.